I've been involved with Southern Gaels hurling for 44 years. I'm originally from Kiltulla, Athenry. In Galway, I used to play hurling with a well-known club, Killimer Daly. It was a fantastic club, and I arrived in Athlone in September 1981 as a teacher in the secondary school in the Maris College, and shortly after that I knew there was a hurling club here and I got heavily involved. I've had every kind of a role over the last 44 years. I would have been chairman on 13 occasions. I was also secretary and I was treasurer a number of times. I've been writing the newspaper notes for the club for the last 35 years. When I started playing, we had a pretty good team. We won the Intermediate Championship, a huge occasion in the club, and a different looking me there with a little bit of extra hair in the back row. On a coaching level, I would have had a thing that's not won very often in the Athlone area is the Minor Championship, and we won that in 2007. We built this in 2016. We opened it in April 2016 in conjunction with the 100th celebrations as well in the club for the year of the 1916 Rising. Most of the work done through the GA is voluntary work by the people that are involved in it. I appreciate what was done for me as a child in my own club, and I've always grown up with the element that it's nice to give back to your community. I was most surprised to get this award because, to me, there's thousands and thousands of people in the GA doing things day in, day out. I would see it as a club award and a community award.
This is where the editing comes in.